After entering the door, there is a shoe cabinet on the right. This is a video doorbell. Keys and masks are generally placed here. Sneakers on the top. Slippers on the bottom. You can hang your bag on the top and change your shoes while sitting on the bottom. Overall, it looks like this. There will be some pictures on the side. This is my childhood. This is my son's childhood. The kitchen is a closed kitchen because we Chinese cook a lot of fumes. So if it is closed, the fumes will not float into the living room. Above is a range hood and a row of cabinets. Below is a gas stove. On the left is a steamer. On the right is a frying pan. This is seasoning. There are also knives and shovels. Let's take a look at the cabinet below. The left is the seasoning of soy sauce, vinegar, etc. In the middle is the tableware. On the right is the rice. Here is the sink. This is the gas water heater. This is a rice cooker. We Chinese people in the south of the Yangtze River basically eat rice every meal. This is a hot water pot. The Chinese like to drink hot water. And finally, there is a double door fridge. Let's open it up. It's mostly chicken and pork. There's some ice cream down there. There's some cola, vegetables, and eggs. Not much. That's all about the kitchen. Next, let's take a look at the living room. The first is a very handsome dog, but it's actually a meter. Below is the Wi-Fi. This is a dining table. Because there are not many people in my family, so a small dining table is enough. Next to the dining table is a cabinet. Let's take a closer look. Above are some cups. This is a microwave. Pure water. This is a thermostat. You can set how many degrees of water you want to drink. The upper cabinet will hold some snacks and fruit. On the top, we'll put some uncommon things. There is only one clock on the wall. Bought from IKEA. Simple but beautiful. Next, look at the sofa. On the sofa is a world map. You can see where you are. This is a standing air conditioner. The effect is particularly good, but the electric bills are very expensive. Sitting on the sofa is such a feeling. Let's take a closer look. On the left is a row of cabinets built into the wall. This is a leopard from South Africa, born in Africa. Below are the doors cut from the door machine. I like this dog very much. These two are great helpers for my room cleaning. On the left is the Xiaomi sweeper. On the right is the Navo mopping machine. At the end of this video, I will show how they working. This is an electric fan made in Japan. This is where my son keeps his toy. That's all about the living room. Next, let's take a look at the balcony. You can see our balcony is sealed because it's very cold in winter and very hot in summer in my city. It will be more comfortable to seal. To the right of the balcony is a cabinet. The cabinet is mainly used to store some sundries. I also have two turtles. The one on the left is called Raphael. The one on the right is Da Vinci. I have raised them for 3 years and some plants. Let's take a look at the scenery outside of the window. On the ground below is actually a huge painting. This is other side of the balcony. Above is an electric clothes drying rack. Generally, there is no dryer here. Mainly rely on the sun to dry clothes. Washing machine and sink. This electric clothes drying rack works great. Anyone can use it, no matter how tall. Next is the second bedroom. A bed, a large wardrobe, here you can write and read books. There are several very cute cabinets designed above the table for books. Outside the second bedroom is the balcony we just looked at. Opposite the second bedroom is the second bathroom. You can also take a shower here. Get out from the second bathroom and go inside. Come to the study room. Take a look at the study room as a whole. There are two large wardrobes on the left and the right. Open it and take a look. Here's a nice design. The mirror is folded in the closet. Take it out and when you use it, if mirror directly outside, may be frightened by yourself at night. The view from the study room. Usually, I make videos and read books here. There are some books that I like to read. Leaving the study room, let's take a look at the master bathroom. This is a row of cabinets for dirty clothes. Sink, toothbrush, toilet, towel. The shower room will be a little bigger than the second bathroom. Finally, look at the effect of closing. From the master bathroom, let's take a look at the master bedroom. It is summer now. There will be mosquitoes. So, mosquito nets are used on the bed. This is my favorite bay window. You can lie down and rest. Look at the scenery outside. That's all about the master bedroom.